Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 6. I will take the English first paper class and our today's topic is assignment number 1. Okay, let's have a look at first on the board. This is the class for the students of class 6 or subject English first paper, topic assignment 1, term half yearly. This is your lecture number 9. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 9. This is my name Mahmudur Rahman and this is my contact number. So dear students, let's look at the topic of assignment number 1. This assignment number 1 is from your first lesson of the book, Going to a New School. I repeat again, this is from lesson 1, Going to a New School, and your assignment topic is here, assignment task. Think of your first day at school. What experience did you have then? How did you feel? Happy, frightened, thrilled, or shy? Why did you feel so? So this is the question of your assignment. You will write about your experience of your first day at school and what was your feelings. Were you happy or frightened or thrilled or shy? You will write your own answers. Since everyone's mind is different, so you will have you should have been different experiences. You will write down your own experience and then you will explain why did you feel so. If you felt happy, then you will explain why did you feel happy. If you were frightened or thrilled or shy, you will explain that. There are some clues that have been given for your assignment. You will follow these clues. In your writing, use these following clues. Number A, when did you go there? At first, you will tell when the time of your going to school. Number B, who did you go with? As you were a young kid, so you must have gone there with someone. Whom did you go with? You will write down here. Number C, how did you go there? You will explain in your assignment on your first day at school, how did you go there? Number D, who did you meet there? When you reached school, whom did you meet? It may be a teacher or the headmaster or any other your new classmates. Number E, what did you see there? You will explain what things you saw when you reached at your first school. Number F, what was interesting or boring to you and why? Since it was your first day at school, something interesting may happen. So you will explain if you had something interesting that happened to you on your first day at school, or it may be opposite. If there was something boring to you, you will explain it. And finally, how did you feel after returning home? And this is the last clue. You will explain and finish your assignment saying how did you feel when you returned home after your first day attending your first school. So this is the first assignment for English first paper. I think you will well understood this and you will be able to maintain the clues in your writing. You will submit this assignment on A4 paper, offset papers, and of course you will try to avoid all kinds of spelling mistake and grammatical mistakes. So dear students, I hope that you have understood very well the topic of your first assignment, your experience of first day at school. You will explain your own experience. Don't copy or don't take the help of others. You will show your creativity and your own experience and knowledge while you are preparing your assignment. And your submission date, your assignment submission date is 5th April 2021. I repeat again, your submission date is 5th April 2021. Everyone will submit on this date. So if you have any further question or any problems, please contact on my number. I have given it, and wish you all the best. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.